Honda has presented its updated CBR 600RR Supersport. The new Honda is equipped with an updated engine, advanced electronics, and aerodynamics. The new motorcycle is equipped with an inline 4-cylinder engine with a volume of 599 cubic centimeters, which develops 121 horsepower at 14,250 RPM, and a maximum torque of 63 Nm at 11,500 RPM. To achieve this performance at high speeds, various components have been optimized, such as camshafts, valve springs, and crankshaft. The diameter of the throttle bodies has been increased from 40 to 44 millimeters, and the intake ports have been redesigned to increase flow capacity by 2.2%. The gas distribution phases have been adjusted to improve the efficiency of flue gas intake and exhaust. The quick shifter will also be available as standard equipment. It rides on a new lightweight aluminum frame with double spars. The aluminum swingarm is 150 grams lighter than the previous model, with every part of the design redesigned to reduce weight, while also providing the desired balance of stiffness. Suspension components include a 41mm Showa big piston inverted fork and a Showa ProLink shock absorber. The bike's gross weight is only 193 kilograms. The new sport bike utilizes the 6-axis inertial measurement unit system, found in the CBR 1000RR Fireblade, and includes throttle control, 5 riding modes, and cornering ABS. 9-level Honda selectable torque control, wheelie control, rear lift control, and emergency stop signals. Honda electronic steering damper, an assist, slipper clutch, and quick shifter are also standard fit. The official price has not yet been disclosed, but according to recent rumors, it should be around $13,600.